Kindly turn to page 70. Quadratic equations are formed when you take a quadratic polynomial equal to 0. If we have a polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and the leading coefficient is not equal to 0, the polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. If you take px equals to 0, आप इस polynomial को equals to 0 कर दो, तो जो equation बनेगी उस equation को हम कहेंगे quadratic equation. And while working with your quadratic equations, please ensure that the equation is in standard form. The terms are arranged in descending order of the powers of the variable. And in case we require to write down any of the missing terms, we can write it with coefficient equal to 0. Arshpreet, Arshpreet Kaur. I hope you remember, we have already learned how to do the factorization of a quadratic polynomial. So when we try to find out the value of x, which will satisfy a quadratic equation, in order to find out what is the solution of this quadratic equation, just like we used to find out the solution of a linear equation. अगर आपके पास linear equation है 2x plus 1 equals to 0, this is a linear polynomial taken equal to 0. इसका solution जब हम निकालते हैं, the purpose is to find out x, the value of the variable which will satisfy this equation. Left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. Same thing is to be done for the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation के जब आप solution find out karoge, that means you are looking for those values of x which satisfy your equation, which make left hand side equal to right hand side. And since we are trying to make the expression equal to 0, the right hand side is 0, तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर भी क्या आ जाए, 0 आ जाए. And the values of x for which this polynomial will become equal to 0 are actually the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px. Tell me if that makes sense. Your left hand side contains your quadratic polynomial and the right hand side is 0. तो हम x की ऐसी values ढूंढना चाहते हैं जिससे हमारा quadratic polynomial 0 के equal हो जाए. And if you can recall, the definition of 0 of a polynomial states that we are having value of x possibly which will make your polynomial equal to 0. If it exists, it's not necessary कि हर बार आपको आंसर मिलेगा, but कोशिश हमने यही करनी है कि we get such values of x which make your polynomial equal to 0, and hence your equation will be satisfied. So zeros of the quadratic polynomial px are same as roots of the quadratic equation px equals to 0. Is that clear? Kindly make a note of this. The zeros of quadratic polynomial px here will be same as the roots or the solution of quadratic equation px equals to 0. So you have a very first question of your exercise just to see if the equations given to you are quadratic or not, simply. And you cannot judge them by the way they are looking. You have to simplify and then write down your answer. Then you'll have real life problems. You have to convert them and represent them as quadratic equations and then solve those quadratic equations in order to find out the value of the variable. Solving would mean you're looking for the value of the variable, and that is what's important. One of the methods is deleted in your chapter, that's completing the squares. It was deleted 2 years ago, वो पूरे syllabus में से deleted है, and there is a chance that might be your syllabus would be reduced again this year. But for now, we will be covering whatever is indicated in the syllabus. आपके पास syllabus है, मैंने PDF share किया था in the beginning of the session. उसको save करके रखना बेटा. Kindly refer to it. और जब in case अगर syllabus revise होता है और reduce होता है, तो comparison करके आप देखना कि क्या delete हुआ है. otherwise you will not be able to figure out कि कौन से chapters और कौन से topics delete हुए हैं, in case it's done, which we are not sure about.
Ma'am, in PA1 it will be reduced or not?
बेटा PA1 में तो अभी कोई रिडक्शन नहीं है, हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं जो CBSE का सिलेबस आया है. सो यू हैव चैप्टर 2, उसमें से जो लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है आपकी ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज, उसमें से आप पिक एंड चूज कर सकते हो. बट द वंस विच आर रिलेटेड टू द टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइजेस, जो फर्स्ट 3 एक्सरसाइजेस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं, स्पेशली द लास्ट 2, 4th एंड 5th, वो तो जरूर करना. वो थोड़े से हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स वाले हैं. आई रिमेंबर आई हैव नॉट डन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन विद यू, बट आई विल गेट टू इट once we finish up the syllabus for PA1. I will discuss that question with you, but don't leave that. 3.7 extremely important. I would advise everyone to do that. वो तो बिल्कुल मिस मत करना. You might have seen questions in assignment also. Bhavya, video is not on, beta. Damanpreet, Damanpreet. I hope you have written those definitions, the one I sent. Question number 1 from 4.1. This is page number 73. You have to check which of the equations are quadratic equations. So simplify and then write down whether or not the equations given to you are quadratic or not. So solve it side by side along with me. First part, x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 times x minus 3. Expand x plus 1 whole square. Left hand side x square plus 1 plus 2x. Right hand side is 2x minus 6. Bring the terms to the left hand side. X square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. X square plus 7 equals to 0. Is this a quadratic equation?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
if we had to write this in the standard form, we could have written it as x square plus 0x plus 7 equals to 0. Although you may give your answer right here that yes, this is a quadratic equation. The highest power of the variable we are looking for is 2. आपके पास x square तक terms होनी चाहिए. उससे lower power वाली अगर missing है वो चलेंगी, but higher power वाली exist नहीं करनी चाहिए. Second part, x square minus 2x equals to negative 2 into 3 minus x.
Please admit कर मैं है.
I'm actually wondering when I say or ask you to turn your videos on, no one pays attention. The moment I am removing them, they are immediately in the waiting room. I did tell you, beta, see, you cannot do this if I start teaching and you turn your videos off. Simplify x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. Is the answer yes or no?
Yes.
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 In case anyone's writing down, do let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The rest of the students, please proceed with the next part. Try to solve and write down your answers. And remember, you have to show your work. You cannot answer directly. Don't write down yes or no. Do show your work. Damanpreet. Damanpreet Singh.
Ma'am, I have done that.
Third part, we have x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Simplify.
Minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0.
This on simplification gives you minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a quadratic
Yes, ma'am.
equation?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can you tell me what type of equation this is?
Linear equation.
Equation.
Fourth part, Arshpreet, beta, can you answer? Simplified form for fifth part.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a quadratic equation.
Can you tell me what did you get as your simplified answer? The equation you obtain after simplification.
X square minus x plus 8 is equals to 0.
X square minus,
X plus 8.
kindly check, is this the answer? X square minus x, or is it minus 11x?
Ma'am, it is minus 11x.
11x.
Minus 11x plus 8 equals to 0. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. Sixth part. Simplify. This gives you the answer as 7x minus 3 equals to 0. And this is
Excuse
not,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in last part, mine is coming minus 13x.
For fifth part or for fourth part?
Fifth part.
Fifth part, let's check. You may match your answer now. See where you made a mistake.
Yes, I've got it.
Okay. Sixth part, the simplified form is 7x minus 3 equals to 0. And this is not a quadratic equation. Seventh part, we have x plus 2 whole cube equals to 2x times x square minus 1. I hope you remember the identities we studied last year. Expand the cube, x plus 2 whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, expanding the right hand side. And now simplify.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manru?
Ma'am, in the sixth part, identity is used.
Yes, right hand side, you'll be expanding the right hand side. The term containing x square gets cancelled. So you're left with 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Simplifying the last seventh part, we have x cube minus 2x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x, then plus 8 equals to 0. You get minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equals to 0. The signs might be different in case you have shifted the values to the right hand side. So this is a cubic polynomial. The answer will be no, this is not a quadratic equation. Last part, we have x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Expand the cube and then solve.
Two x square plus 11x plus 9 equals 0.
2x square.
Plus 11x plus 9.
Okay, I want everyone else to recheck this. Is this the answer?
2x square
Minus
minus
13x.
2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equals to 0.
Okay, this I think x cube minus 8 minus 6x square, right? So your answer actually is 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equals to 0. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. Has everyone done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, please admit Kudrat.
I have admitted her. Has everyone done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's wait another minute. Anshdeep Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anshdeep, Anupama, Ayushi, Harpreet, Karmanjot. Harpreet and Karmanjot, beta, you were removed from the meeting only for this reason and you have again turned your videos off.
Ma'am, I was not removed. I got disconnected.
I removed you. There were like so many students. I have removed them because their videos were off. Only 2 or 3 students have actually told me the reason why their videos are off. One student has actually taken permission to turn it off. Harpreet Kaur, beta, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So why is your video off?
Ma'am, I have done that.
Has everyone completed the first question of 4.1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2, you have to represent the given situations in the form of quadratic equations. You don't have to solve. Later on in the chapter, although you might be asked to solve these. So for the time being, we are just making quadratic equations and we'll not be solving them. You begin with the same way you've been doing your previous work. जैसे आपने last year किया है, आपकी जो values missing होंगी, you are going to represent them with a variable. Keep in mind, we will be only using one variable since we have to form a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation will mean that you have a quadratic polynomial and one variable. Accordingly, don't represent your variables with 2 different variables. Missing values. The area of the plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Out of the 2 missing values, which one will you assume? The length equals to twice breadth plus 1. So you may take one of these as x. The better one will be if you take breadth of the plot represented by x then length can be represented as x plus 1. And according to question, the area equals to 528 meters square. So length multiplied with breadth equals to 528. As simple as that. Kindly ensure that you're giving the answer in simplified form. आपने जो भी इक्वेशन यहाँ पे फॉर्म की है उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके show that you are obtaining a quadratic equation. We'll continue from here tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow. God
Thank
bless
you, ma'am.
God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.